Are you sick and tired of the endless grind of network marketing recruiting? You know the drill, making awkward phone calls that go nowhere, begging friends and family to just hear you out, or sitting through those cringe-worthy three-way calls with your sponsor, hoping they'll close the deal for you. Sound familiar? Let's be real. You didn't sign up for this to feel like a telemarketer, chasing people who don't even want to talk to you. You did not join network marketing to waste hours on cold calls, get ghosted by prospects, or deal with rejection after rejection. And don't even get me started on those endless team meetings that just leave you drained and broke. You wanted freedom, right? Financial freedom, time freedom, not a second job that feels like a burden. What if I told you there's a better way? A way where you never have to pick up the phone again. No more three-way calls. No more awkward chats with your cousin at Christmas dinner. No more chasing people down or pretending you're just catching up. With 24/7 AutoPilot, we've cracked the code to complete automation, powered by cutting-edge AI that does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. Instead of you doing the work, our proven system does it all. Our AI handles the recruiting, the follow-ups, the objections, everything. All you do? Send people to this exact sales funnel you're watching right now. That's it. One simple step and the system takes over, converting curious clicks into cash in your pocket. We've eliminated everything you hate about network marketing, and then some. No more awkward phone calls that leave you stammering through a script while the other person yawns. No more three-way sponsor chats where you're stuck listening to someone else fumble the pitch. No more begging friends or family, watching their eyes glaze over as you try to sell them something they don't even want. No more posting in sketchy Facebook groups, crossing your fingers that some random stranger might bite. Say goodbye to those soul-crushing late-night Zoom calls that drag on forever, leaving you exhausted instead of inspired. Forget driving hours to overpriced hotel meetings, sitting in a room full of forced enthusiasm while your bank account dwindles. No more wrestling with complicated compensation plans you can barely explain. No more chasing down flaky prospects who ghost you after promising they're in. And those broken promises, you know, the ones where your upline sponsor swears you'll be a six-figure earner in no time, but then they disappear when you need them most, leaving you with zero support and a sinking feeling you've been duped. With 24/7 AutoPilot, you don't need a great sponsor or any sponsor, because our AI-driven funnel does all the heavy lifting for you. It works tirelessly 24/7, handling the pitches, the follow-ups, the objections, even the paperwork, so you don't have to lift a finger. You're free from the chaos, the rejection, and the endless hustle. All that stress, gone. But here's the thing. This isn't some get-rich-quick gimmick that's here today, gone tomorrow. We're only opening this to a limited number of people who are ready to ditch the old way and step into the future of network marketing. Why? Because when something works this well, we can't let just anyone in. It'd flood the system and dilute the results. You're watching this right now because you've got a rare shot to claim your spot. So what's it going to be? Keep grinding away, making calls that lead nowhere, feeling that pit in your stomach every time someone says no, or take one simple step. Send people to this funnel and let our AI and automation build your business while you sleep, travel, or just enjoy your life. The choice is yours, but the clock is ticking. Click the button below right now to lock in your access. This is your chance to say goodbye to the old network marketing headaches, and hello to a smarter, simpler way to win. Click now, send people here, and watch the magic happen. Go ahead, test drive our system. Grab your free account today.